Hi everyone, welcome. Right, I decided to stress fire a little bit to talk about, why AI will not save you. Okay, for you to be relevant in the job market, you need to get your fundamentals right before you start learning or start using AI. Why am I saying this? So this is at the back of a conversation I had with one of my colleagues just this morning, and I've decided just to make a video about this. Okay, so this current trend or this current era of AI, this is good. It's helping us to hasten or fasten or speed up the delivery of our work. Thumbs up to AI. We love that. But what I will say is, if you are a newbie, okay, by that I mean you are new in this IT space, you want to switch career, okay, or your fundamentals are weak in certain tools and technologies, okay. What I will say is before you start using AI, you need to master these areas. You need to understand the fundamentals. Okay. You need to know how these things work before you start leveraging on this AI to speed up your work. Then this is what AI is here for. Okay. By that, I mean, it's not going to take over your job. Okay. For you to be better in this space, you need to work alongside AI. I use the analogy of AIs as a car. Okay, you are in charge of a car. If you want to drive from point A to point B, okay, the car is going to speed up. Okay, your time you're going to take to travel instead of you walking. Okay, same as the AI, going to speed up, but you need to control. Okay, you need to control the car. You need to tell the car your destination where you want to reach out to. You need to make decision. Okay, this is similar to the AI. Okay, so what I'll say is if your fundamentals are weak, if you are new in certain area or certain roles that you want to do, okay, you need to stop chasing this trend of AI and just jumping on the bandwagon. Okay, you need to master your fundamentals of certain tools that you think you might liking. If you are into cloud DevOps platform engineering role, what I would say you need to master what we call your infrastructure as a code, containerization, your security, your CI/CD. You need to still master the fundamentals of this before you start leveraging on this. Why am I saying this? Okay. For example, if you are a security person, let's say you are in DevSecOps, okay, AI can help scan what we call your infrastructure for vulnerability. But guess what? You still need to understand what is security. By that, I mean the AI can help identify issues, but you make decision. For example, the AI can, let's say, help you write IAM policy and that. But this policy, you are the one who is in charge to apply this. The AI is not responsible. You are the one responsible for it. You cannot blame the AI and say, oh, the AI gave me this. You are the brain behind it. You are the master of it. So control it. Okay, so you need to learn your fundamental first before you start leveraging on AI. Okay. Again, I would say is AI can help if you are into Terraform, infrastructure as a code like CloudFormation, these automation tools, these things AI can tools can do them brilliantly. Okay, as quick as possible. Okay. Again, like if you are into, let's say, your Kubernetes, your containerization, your manifest file, your Helm chart, and so on and so forth, this thing can write them as quick as possible. Okay, your file, but at the end you need to validate the file, you need to accept the file. Okay, you need to make sure these things are secure. Okay, these things are designed in a more scalable architecture way. That is your responsibility. So you see here, you are working alongside the AI. So if you are new, you don't just jump into the AI. You learn the fundamentals. Whatever the AI is giving you, you are working alongside of it. Okay. So you get the best out of it. You can prompt engineer properly. Okay. You can ask the relevant question. Okay. So this is what you need. Right. Again, like I said, it is here to help you speed up what you do. Right. But your main role, whilst it is speeding up your job, you need to provide the accuracy of it because it's just gonna generate certain things for you. You need to validate it and make sure you are happy with it. You need to make sure The safety side of things is in your hands. The architecture side of things are in your hands. And all these things, you cannot dodge it. You cannot deviate from it unless you get your fundamentals of these tools, logic, and technology. You get the fundamentals right. Okay? Right. Again, what I'll say this day and age, if you're a cloud engineer, DevOps, platform engineer, okay, and you understand your infrastructure as a code, your IAC, your microservices, your CI/CD, your networking, and you back it up with your security, automation here and there. What I will say is you add what we call the um, AI. Okay, what I will say is you're gonna be like a force multiplier. By that, you understand what the AI is doing. You're able to work alongside it properly. And guess what? A combination of all this will give you a stronger way so you can survive. Okay. You can be more accurate. You're going to be more valuable in your work. You're not even if afraid of you being replaced by this AI. But guess what? Because you are the one feeding the AI with the relevant information. Therefore, you are valuable in wherever you are. Okay. In a nutshell, I don't want to talk too much about it. What the take home is job security, I would say, is equal to or is equivalent to what we call your fundamental knowledge. For you to secure a job alongside with this AI technology, okay, your fundamental knowledge is relevant. Okay. AI is it's not at the end of it, it's not responsible. Okay. You are the orchestrator. You are the mastermind. Okay. You are the one going to make decision. The onus is on you. You cannot blame the AI. So in a nutshell, stop chasing AI. Okay. For you to be relevant, you need to make sure your fundamentals are right. And then you slam it on top of it. It's like ice, the icing on top of your cake. Okay. It's just gonna make it taste. You embellish it. You embellish your fundamental with this. I would say is keep learning. Right. If you want to understand any other things, please reach out to me. And we also do some learning and training. Those who are interested, you can contact us. We can guide you at the right direction. We can mentor you, take you through certain things that will help you, be relevant in your new role. Get grips of the fundamental. That's what I would say. Okay. This is key. If your foundation is weak, okay, you cannot build skyscraper. You might try to build it, but you will never last. So there might be situation where few people have, started new roles, but then they don't survive. Why? Because their fundamentals are weak. I don't want you to be one of them. So please get this right. If you're not too sure, reach out to me, and our team will be able to help you, guide you through your either you are switching career, you are moving into the new role, and so on and so forth. What I would say is happy learning. Keep learning, and then on top of it, don't forget your AI as well. Okay. Subscribe, share it to your friends and family, those who are interested. I'll keep doing, relevant videos regarding cloud, DevOps platform. So keep watching. Okay. For now, we are dealing with the cloud, mostly AWS. Okay. At some point, we will do Azure, and then we'll be diving into, the automation, Terraform. That is, my daily bread. So I can't wait to start terraforming. And then, yeah, I will see you whenever. Okay. So keep learning. Happy learning. Bye bye. Bye.